We love a good tasting passport at Silver Dollar City, but did you know that we have a top 5 foods that doesn't go on those? So,
Come with us.
hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
As we said, we are back at Silver Dollar City, and if you guys are new here and haven't followed us, you will know that my name is Brady, and this is
Ashley.
And we are a traveling theme park couple that absolutely loves to go to theme parks, and our home park is Silver Dollar City. And so you guys may have seen our tasting passport videos and our ratings. Oh my gosh, we love those. They are so great. However, there are times where we come to the park and we just don't want to get one and want to have something else that's
Or there's
available.
not a festival going. Sometimes that happens.
Sometimes that does happen. It's very rare, but sometimes it does happen. And we're going to take you to our top 5 things that we love to get here at Silver Dollar City. So that being said, we're going to take off and we're going to go show you our first one. So one of the first things on our list is the skillets. They are everywhere. There are 4 corners of these that you can get throughout Silver Dollar City. We are down in the Lumber Camp Falls skillet area, where this is one of the closest spots that we can get to the cooking it. And as you can see, they have a couple different kinds. There's the campfire, which is this one over here to the side, and then you have the sausage medley, which is on the left.
The campfire one is actually my favorite. It comes with grilled chicken, smoked sausage slices, red skin potatoes, green and yellow string beans, and carrots, and it's only $13.49.
Yep. And you get a discount with your season pass.
Yes, keep that in mind if you have that.
All right, we are headed to the next thing on our... We're not going to eat this one today. We do love it, but we are going to eat a couple other things because they seem more for us today. So anyway, off to the next one. Our next stop is none other than Clarabelle's Cinnamon Bread. Of course, it's going to be in our top 5 foods that we love here at Silver Dollar City. Just look at that. We had some earlier. We absolutely loved it. And look at these guys. Oh, she's presenting it to us. So delicious. Great, great food. So, all right. On to our next one, which is going to be up here. Our next thing is here at Sadie's Pretzel Cafe, and that is the world famous pretzel dog. It is delicious. I like it with the salt on it and the cheddar cheese, as does Ashley. It is actually really, really good. And I want to try the jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage sometime, but there's prices on those. All right, we've got 2 more stops to make. The next place on our stop is the Tater Twist stand, and specifically the Tater Twist dog. We think that it is in our top 5. They're in no specific order either. However, we do love the Tater Twist dog. It is delicious, and you can put whatever kind of seasonings that you want on there. Anyway, right next door is going to be our last one, and that is going to be the kettle corn here at Silver Dollar City. We absolutely love it. Ash is actually in line with our lantern to grab some. So we're going to grab some of that, and then we will talk to you guys in a second. All right, and we got ourselves our kettle corn here.
So
absolutely
good.
love the kettle corn here at Silver Dollar City. So anyway, we also got it for $7 off with our little lantern, which the lanterns are $29.99.
$30.
Oh, $30. Apologies.
30 even.
$30 even. Excuse you.
Excuse me. Sorry. Colonel got in there.
And then they are $7 to get a refill with these. And
You cannot use your season pass though. Just FYI.
Yep.
As a discount, so you don't get that. So it's just the $7.
So those are our top 5 foods for Silver Dollar City that we like to get. That is not on a tasting passport. So anyway, that being said, guys, we are going to end that here. We're going to enjoy some popcorn. We're going to go try and break a record on the flooded mine over here.
Make sure you're following our Facebook. Yeah, for the leadership.
Yeah, if you haven't seen that video, it is right up here. So anyway, that being said, if you guys want to keep up with any more of our theme park news, videos, tips, tricks, ideas, anything like that, or just some old-fashioned fun with that leaderboard stuff, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
that you guys don't miss out on any more of our theme park news, videos, or adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.